శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi is disclosing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, all the Acharyas, Brahmanas were giving horoscopical details of that child to Dharmaraju. They are saying that, O Dharmaja, this child will become just like Rantideva in giving charities. And also, O Dharmaja, Yayati Rivadharmikaha, this child will become just like Yayati in following Dharma. Dhairya Sampada Bali Daitya Vallabhudana, in bravery he will become just like Bali. Achyuta Bhakti Prahladudana, in devotion this child will become Prahlada, just like Prahlada he will be always devoted to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Dharmaja, this child will get a curse from Brahmana Kumara, and then he will realize that a serpent bite is inevitable to me. Death is inevitable to me. This child will realize that, and then he will renunciate everything. He will just all focus his all attention on Srimannarayana, and then Mukta Sangha Padam Harehe, he will be reaching to the divine abode. O Dharmaja, Vyasa's son Sukha Maharshi will teach Atma Tattvam to this child in Ganga, banks of the Ganga river. There this child will leave his body and he will go to the most abhayasthanam, the most assured place and the most divine place, Srimannarayana Padasannidhi. This child will reach over there. Like that, all the acharyas gave the details of Jatakam of this child to Dharmaja. And then this child started growing. After that, Sayesha Loke Vikhyataha Parikshit iti yat Prabhuhu. He started ruling the kingdom. While ruling the kingdom, this Parikshit, when he was in the belly, the stomach of Uttara, he has seen a Paramapurusha who is going around him and protecting him. The same Paramapurusha's, the divine Swarupam, is still stuck in the mind of this Parikshit, and he started searching for the same Paramapurusha everywhere in detail. So his focus is on finding him. That is how he started ruling the kingdom. And on other side, Dharmaraju, he still was having the same pain, thinking that I killed so many people in Kurukshetra Sangramam. I killed so many of my relatives. He is thinking that to get rid of all that kind of dosham, he wanted to do Asvamedha Yagam. Dharmaja did Sankalpam for Asvamedha Yagam, but Dharmaja started worrying about, because he did not have enough money to perform such a huge big yajna. Then Krishna Paramatma gave him an idea, saying that, "Oh Dharmaja, I will send Bhima and Arjuna to northern side. There, earlier there were so many kings who were defeated by us. So they left all the wealth of there itself. So now that wealth is there. I will send Bhima and Arjuna and get all that wealth here, so that with that wealth, that money, you can perform Asvamedha Yagam." That is how Krishna Paramatma made arrangement for that, and Asvamedha Yagam is done. Dharmaraju, after he concluded Asvamedha Yagam, he did worship Sri Krishna Paramatma. Only for that Asvamedha Yagam, Krishna Paramatma came here. So he felt that, Krishna Paramatma felt that, anyway I am here, let me spend some more months here. So he stayed over there. After that, Uvasa Katichin Masan, after living over there, spending over there for a few months, then Krishna Paramatma Yayau Dvaravatim Brahman, he is now again getting ready to travel back to his Dwaraka Nagaram along with Arjuna and Yedubhir Vrutaha, some of his colleagues, some of his Yadava Vamsa people. So along with all of them, now Krishna Paramatma traveling back to Dwaraka. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.